Welcome to my vlog. It's rainy. No, it's not. It's just sprinkle, right?
Yes, pretty much.
So we are getting ready to go to my sister in Subic to bring the triplets there. It's time. This is the day that we have to give them away.
Very sad day for me.
Yeah, Gary is very, very sad because he get attached with them.
Raising
So-
them from babies.
Yeah, since the day one that we find them at the empty lots, wet, hungry, crying. So here they are now, and we just cannot have a lot of pusa, too much things, but we love them. Here they are. They're there. Hi, baby. I love you guys. I love you. I know. We love you. Daddy love you. Aww. Aww. And Diego say bye. Bye. Everybody there. Diego and Oscar say bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Hey, come on, bring it here.
Huh?
Come, bring it here. Start raining while ago, all night. No rain. And then we're just about to leave. Umulan. Ay, nako. We love you guys. We love you.
Actually making clouds. That's where clouds come from.
Bree, Russell, everybody here. Okay, Bree and Tommy.
Green eyes, straight tail, Tommy. Green eyes, crooked tail, Bree. Blue eyes, Russell. Of course, they're gonna get new names. This is what we call them. Yeah, this is where it'll spill.
Ang bilis naman.
Halika. Kokoy,
Kokoy, halika rito, Kokoy. Where's the kitten?
go get that kitten, baby.
Kids are the best.
Nagdala kami nito, oh.
Ito?
Mhm. Kokoy, ang pogi naman. Ang pogi-pogi naman. Dinala.
Early na.
Nga, para masanay agad.
Huwag mo na. Karating lang yun.
Baka umihi eh.
Iyan na.
Ha? Ano daw? Ah, si Mika yan? Ah! Ay! Hindi yan nangangagat? Ay!
Hey there,
Pranzo!
Thank you.
Poleng! Poleng-leng!
Where's that?
Where's my boss again?
I think the other two is in the
Ganda ng dalaga
closet.
natin. Ang pogi-pogi naman ito. Ang pogi-pogi mo, ah.
That one's a boy.
This one is boy.
These two are girls. The
Dalawa
one with
pala-
a crooked tail
dalawa pala ang
is
girl.
the sweet one.
Akala namin 2 boys and 1 girl. I think that is...
I think we got one boy and two girls now.
Kapitan po kaya kayo ng kuko.
may-ari na yan. Si Pogi naman ang pogi-pogi.
Baka makalmataklan na.
Hindi nangangalmot lang.
Kasi tayo naninibago sila sa bahay.
Kahit na.
So, huwag mo ganyanin. Tapan yung sa likod. Oh.
Where's the other one, kuya, that no hair? Which one? This one, no?
No hair?
Yeah, at first.
Yung para akala mo, ano?
It looks like Sphinx.
Kasi ano, baby
Oh,
pa
that would
sila.
have been this one.
This one?
Kasi
Kasi buhok na sila, Bricks, oh.
Oleng!
Oh, you looking good. You look good.
Yeah, it's eating. This one, these two is still. This is Brie, right? Or Tommy?
Well, that's Russell there.
This is Oh, this is Russell. So that is Brie and
I want to see Rossi.
maybe probably upstairs.
No, she hasn't eaten yet. She's just been looking at her. That's tough.
Makain na si Lucius ng sopas. Ako, gimme. Welcome. Love you. Ito naman. Ay, magkapatid pa lang kumain. You like it? Good? Careful, it's still hot. Naman dalawang to, arte. Imo-imo. Hindi na nga yan.
Tingin na nga yun. I have rambutan.
Yeah!
I have lansones.
Ay!
Ala! Yung
Ala!
atis ko na
Ay!
Saka santol.
Ay! Ay! Ito marami ako sa bahay.
Itago na natin yan.
Hi, Ten! Sabi ko, ba't namalengke pa kayo? Ang dami akong dalang ulam.
Sinataw.
Lasa ano daw?
Iiwa, bakit ako? Aba, mawili ka ko sa ako.
Nox.
Tapang malapit talaga. Tapang mo talaga si Tini. Alam niyo, tutuwa ako sa kanya. Bes, na itinira kami sa'yo isa. Wala. Ano pa ba doon? Meron pa doon. Kala niyo, tinago ko na. Hindi yun na makikita nasa bahay na.
Binilat pala niya ako ng mga prutas eh. Eh yung lansones tsaka santol, ang dami ko sa bahay. Kala mo, basta. Iba-vlog ko.
Pala, Indian mango binili ko.
Sabi sa Indian mango eh.
Joke lang. Pero wala na Indian mango. Haha.
Wala nang ano ngayon? Manggang
Hirap na daw.
Wala na. Wala na ng dapat.
Ang ano ngayon, puro bukas pa ang delivery.
Nang alin?
Indian mango. What? Happy birthday!
Let's go.
Bakit kayo? Baby, sing ka daw muna ng happy birthday, sabi ni Mami La.
Yeah? Ano yun?
Halika dito, baba ka muna. Daddy, we're going to... Diba sabi mo kanina, so excited ka dahil Mami La is coming?
Come here. Sing to me.
Sing ni Mami La. She's really coming, Mommy. Sabi niya.
Sing to me happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Dito ka sa baba, parang nakakasal ka pa. Nakasal mo naman, baby.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ba talaga?
Nakasal mo pa.
Sabay din. One more.
1, 4, 3, 2. Happy birthday.
Dali, one more.
Pakita mo kay Mami yung dance mo.
Dali
Mag-dance ka.
na.
Tapos mag-sing kayong ano. Ayun, kanta.
Dali na.
Brazilian, baby.
Happy birthday. Habang nag-happy birthday, dali. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Sing ka, mag-sing ka.
Dali. Dali. Ang ganda naman. More. Ay, gusto ko makita ng
Para
person
lang sa'yo.
eh.
Para lang sa'yo.
In the video, you keep dancing. I told you I wanna see it in person.
Diba that's why Mami La came here because of you.
I wanna see it.
Mami La wants to see you.
Ayan, dali na. Dali na, ayan na.
Boy is exploring.
I know.
I know.
Russell,
Yeah, he's exploring, checking.
dance and sing ah.
He's not afraid.
I'm going to keep that.
He's a good cat. Very strong.
Go.
Aw. Oh, babe, you're missing something, babe.
Tingka.
Look, huh?
Lolo na ako patawa sa lolo mo.
Natural.
Singin ka, singin. Ayan lang sa'yo. Ayan lang sa'yo.
I like the way she moves
Ah.
her hips.
Ang cute naman.
Kimi, Brazilian dance, pakita mo naman kila mami para makita nila magaling si Corlin.
Ang galing.
Pichi! Ganyan niya si Pichi.
Sabay ganun eh.
Silosa to eh. Pichi. No!
Babe.
Mami, stop.
Sorry.
Gusto siya lang.
Okay na daw ba? Friends. Pagod ka na.
Hindi natatapos yan.
Wow, ang sarap, chef. Ang sarap. This is the crispy kare-kare. Ang sarap, be. Ang sarap. Alisin mo nga yan, be.
What, Molly? Nagbibidyo kasi siya ba? Ano ba yun?
Yeah. The preparation. Bigyan mo na isa si kuya mo.
Takot na eh.
Ito, oh.
Yung mic lang.
Okay. Meron tayo ano?
Ito siya yung ginagawa. Go, Chef Boy Negro. Oh, Miko, I have my baby now. Miko, I have my baby.
Okay, let's eat. Where's the ano? Where's the mungo?
Ayun o. Ay, lagay ka sa bowl ng mugo.
Sa Kanino to?
Makain na, Frances.
Kalamansi. Meron tayong kalamansi.
Ay, kaya mo ito. Sa bot sa...
Okay, say bye-bye.
Tama ko, Mi?
Mami, intindihin mo na to. Saan ang ilagay yung mugo, babe?
Ano ba, darling?
Ang gulo.
Sa utak niya naman.
Ngayon, eto. Tapos habang nagpupunas ka, sumasayaw ka.
Ten, 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 sturdy. Ten, 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 ten.
Weirdo si Brad. Nakikita ka ng mga fans. Mongoloid pala itong pinapalo namin. Sana hindi ang butas ha. Uy! Pagkabot yung dalawa.
Hindi ko pinatay.
Ano ba ito ba? Padala mo bang mga sundalo yung mga yan?
Kaya nga eh. Hoy! Baka mo na sa... Pero dadali si Mami. Kasi pa, diba? Pali lang sabi ko. Babe, sumanap sa pangalan ka. Pero sa...
Dapat si Gary yan eh, no?
Who's that?
Free.
Bri?
Alright.
Yan na tigit? Yan na tigit ba?
Ano ba yung itsura ng cover niya?
So, clingy to you.
Ay, Mami, oh!
Aww. Ano?
Ay, beer sa mo. Lagay niyo na sa likod ng carne.
If she has homes for both of these, she says she's going to keep.
Bye-bye, babies! Ah! Ah, he's looking at you, baby. Really? Ah! Really? Bye, babies.
Because they're really bonded.
Two?
The two girls, Tommy and Bree.
Oh, we have two girls and one boy.
One boy. Russell's the boy, the blue-eyed one. The other two are girls. Yeah, see? This is a boy. See? There's his stuff.
Tingnan mo lahat. Keep raining and raining. Open the windows light.
See you later.